Good morning everyone. My name is Kunjan Thote and Sonal Ayush Koro is with me. We have made robotics project that name is Mini Loader. This is a mini loader robot designed to lift and carry small objects. It is built using motor, wheels and lifting mechanism made from blocks. This this robot works on the simple principle: when the motor is turned on, it moves forward and the front loader mechanisms lifts objects using the rotating or sliding motion. The lifting arm is controlled by a gear or motor system which helps in picking up and placing items. This project demonstrates basic concept of robotics such as motion control, mechanical design and hand loading can be used in small scale application like materials, hand lending industries or warehouse. Thank you.